My family, day 2 of the snowstorm, doing their thing. Brenton's sort of cleaning the driveway. Hi, Gingy. Hi, Ginge. Hi, Ginge. Gingy. Hi, Gingy. That looks like fun. There's our snow people. I had to work all day. Boo. So they're all hanging out. Snow people. Me, Daddy, and Bentley. And apparently Brenton's in my tummy. So this is Snow Family circa 2008. Before him. Ow. Lots of snow. Lots and lots of snow. All this stuff. It's crazy. But clear roads. Can't complain. Hi, Presley. You cleaning up, buddy? You're doing awesome.
Yeah, but he's ruining Dad's
You're getting hot? Because you're working hard, pal. Okay, B, slide so I can get on tape.
Daddy, watch out.
Oh.
Hey, no fair.
Face plant. Not quite ready for the X
You
Games.
try landing on your face.
I try not to land on my face. What are you doing? Try going sideways.